first thing to place this on. Can you see that okay though? And then do a dry fit on the board. Make sure everything fits, right? Okay. And flip it over. Take your super glue. And then just show putting the 4 dots on. Does that look okay?
Yeah.
And place it on the board. Like that. Okay. Epoxy is applied in 2 different steps. The first step is to get the epoxy into the grooves and all the way around the socket, small bead. Make sure that it fills in all the way around, getting into the groove of the socket. And then the next step will be to fill in outside that area. You want to make sure you don't get any air bubbles or anything. Get the epoxy into those grooves. Once you are done with that step, then go to the next step and fill in all the way around this socket.